Today we're going to do 2 examples of patterns in tables, and then you're going to try 3 on your own. Question number 1. It says a number machine uses a rule to change numbers. The table shows what happened when 4 different numbers go into the same number machine. Which of the tables could result from the same number machine? So we need to find the rule over here and then see which of the examples over here uses that same rule and therefore could be the same number machine. Okay, over here my numbers are getting larger, so most of the time that's either an addition or multiplication operation, so I'm going to see what works. So I'm thinking 3 plus what equals 9? 3 plus 6 is 9. So I try down here, 4 plus 6 would equal 10, not 12, so addition doesn't work. So I try multiplication. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3, remember you can use a calculator, is 12. 9 times 3 is 27. And 15 times 3 is 45. So I know my rule for this table is times 3. So this says which of these tables could result from using that same number machine, that same rule. So I'm seeing is A, B, C, or D using a rule of times 3. So I'm trying to say, does 5 times 3 equal 11? Well, it doesn't. 5 times 3 equals 15, so that's not equal, so that makes no sense, so A is out. B, 5 times 3 is 15, 6 times 3 is 18, 7 times 3 is 21, and 8 times 3 is 24. So this one does have the rule of times 3. I always check and make sure the other ones are wrong. 5 times 3 does not equal 9. 5 times 3 does not equal 11. So my answer choice is B. Number 2. The table below shows the total cost of different numbers of notebooks. So over here we have how many notebooks you buy, and over here we have the cost. Based on the information in the table, what would be the total cost of 10 notebooks? So a lot of times when you're doing a cost one, that item costs the same amount every time. So as you buy more of them, you just multiply by how many you're buying. So I normally check that first. So I'm going to see if all the notebooks cost $3.50. So 1 times $3.50 is $3.50. So if I'm buying 2 notebooks, the first one costs $3.50, the second one costs $3.50. So 2 times $3.50, I do it on my calculator and make sure, is $7. So if I buy 3 notebooks, the first one's $3.50, and so is the second, and so is the third. So 3 times $3.50. If I buy 4 notebooks, and I'm checking on a calculator, 4 times $3.50 is $14. And my last one, 5 times $3.50 would be $17.50. So my rule is multiply by $3.50. So based on that information, what would be the total cost of 10 notebooks? So if I'm buying 10 notebooks, they each cost $3.50. So times $3.50. I can do it on my calculator. If I remember my times 10 rule, I can just move the decimal point over 1 when you multiply by 10. So my total answer for buying 10 notebooks is $35. Now I want you to try the next 3 on your own. Type your answers right on your slides and turn in your slides at the end of the day.